y'all, welcome back to my channel, and we are kicking off our second Glamoween look with this clown makeup right here. I guess you could say it's like a clown. I guess our glam clown makeup. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this super easy. It's like not hard at all. So if you can't think of a costume and you like, shit, what can I do? Everybody has liner at home, but you could definitely achieve this look right here. So keep on watching if you guys want to see how to achieve this look. And also don't forget to like and comment if you're feeling this look right here. So let's get right into it. So I have one eye done for the look, and now we are going to just basically get into this eye. I'm going to give you the breakdown of how to do everything. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do the next look is you're going to go in with, well, I'm going to go in with the Patrick Star One Size palette, but you can go in with any palette you have that has basically like this bone color right here. So I'm going to take this bone color right here, and I'm just going to place this underneath my brow bone, and this is just basically going to be my brow bone highlight. Frame Juicy Boost palette right here, and that's basically just going to be our, I guess you could say like our transition color. The color that's just gonna help everything blend. I hear like a little bit of noise. That is like my son. I am sorry y'all, but mama's gotta do what mama's gotta do. But the really good thing about these coloredraine palettes, or like colors in general, like you could see, is already, even though it's such a like pale color, if you keep applying it and how you apply it, you could definitely get the color. Alright, so the next color we're gonna go in with is this one right here, and this is Cranberry Vanilla. And basically you're just gonna take it back and forth, and you're gonna blend it out, and that is Cranberry Vanilla. Because keep in mind, we are going for like that glam clown makeup look. So yeah. Now I'm going to take a more detailed brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Berry Beat. So this is Berry Beat with your saturation, because honey, she's pigmented. She's like super pigmented. Like honestly, in the midst of me doing this look, I'm probably gonna stop it just so I can take an Instagram picture of like an outfit. Okay, so I have Berry Beat. So now I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna use a dark purple color and just kind of like smoke it out. I didn't want to do black because I felt like black was so harsh, and black is like such a typical color that I would use. So I'm just gonna go out with purple. And I'm gonna take in my outer inner corner and just apply like so until I get the amount of saturation that I am looking for. Color right here, which is going to be the shade Sweet Ruby. So you're going to take the shade Sweet Ruby, you're going to get your little flat brush, and we are going to apply Sweet Ruby as our lid color. Finger, but because I didn't apply the other side with my finger, I'm going to just continue to use the brush. And this palette, you will get very little fallout. Like I don't have a lot of fallout. But also fallout, I feel like fallout sometimes is like your technique, honestly. It all depends on like the technique that you're using, or that you're doing. I'm gonna take this same color, the same brush with the very first color we used, Pink Grapefruit, and kind of just like suffuse everything, blend it all up in here. And now I'm going to go in with my one size liner, and I'm just going to apply a straight line like I always do, just so when I do the lashes, it's like the sky. And I'm kind of bringing it a little bit and like the tears up. I had to come like super close because I cannot see what I'm doing, but yeah, and it's tears up. And then I'm gonna now go in with my LA Girl liner. So we're just gonna take that black liner, pop it in the waterline. Yeah guys, like I said, this is just, it's really easy. I would say definitely maybe use brushes that you don't use as much, because I haven't even cleaned those brushes yet, but I know it's going to be a pain in the butt to get the lining and stuff out. And I'm pretty much just doing the same thing on the other side, just applying it like a triangle type of motion, filling it in, and then underneath it you're going to add like a little circle dot. And yeah, that's the vibe. Right here, I'm just taking that same exact LA Girl liner, and I'm just gonna align my lips with the black and literally just fill it in. I did use like a really inexpensive black lipstick. Now if you're into black lipstick, I would say definitely get a really good brand so you can keep on using it. me, I know I'm gonna never wear black lipstick again, so I just settled for this Rimmel one. It was okay. It did what it was supposed to do. It was okay. Now I'm just gonna go in and make like these lines and just extend them out. And at first I was gonna use the grease thing, but it was like super hard for me to get the lines how I wanted it to look, so I just went in with the liner. And now I'm just gonna fill any parts where you still see my skin with the liner. Just to further give you like that clown-esque type of look, you're just gonna add blush. Now this part I would say definitely go crazy. I was gonna go crazy, but you can definitely go crazy to make it really pop and stand out.
Fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause